After you have created a webinar in Microsoft Teams, it's important to remember to properly start the webinar when the event begins, and to choose End Webinar when the event is finished. Ending the webinar correctly is important because it allows Teams to generate accurate participant statistics. These statistics are a key part of running webinars. If you simply leave the meeting without ending the webinar, the statistics may not be created correctly. Depending on the settings you configured earlier, participants may also be allowed to join automatically. During the webinar, you can monitor the Q&A and chat features if these have been enabled to interact with your audience.